Music means to me what you're feeling. It really helps me express who I am. It shows how I'm feeling a lot of the time, and a lot of what I wrote expresses how I was feeling at the time of writing it.
Elijah wrote a song. He came back in the fall and said he had written a song over the summer and wanted to have the band play it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, he'd never written a song before. I expected it to be just okay, and that we'd probably just play it on the fall concert and get through it.
Last year, I arranged one of the songs for band, and after arranging that, I started trying to write some of my own music.
I thought it was really good. It has really catchy melodies for the different instruments. The kids really got into the song and they played it well, and we decided to hold on to it and work it a little more so that we could play it really well at the winter concert.
This next one, let's try not to slow down because we slowed down there at the end. Measure 63. I was going through different ideas, and one of the ideas I had was a song about the different seasons. So that's where the idea of Cycle of Seasons. There are 4 different parts expressing the feelings of the different seasons.
It's really special because not only can he write the parts, but he's writing it for the group. So the parts fit the kids like it, and they're all taking a part of it.
I'd like to introduce a very talented student we have in our 7th grade band, Elijah Wyman. This next piece he has written, rehearsed, and will be directing.
Started with the melody, and I think, okay, what sharps or flats is it in? What chord could go on in the background? And then I come up with other notes that the different sections could be playing to form chords. And I have to choose which section has the melody and which would sound right for what emotion I'm trying to convey.
They really enjoyed playing it. You can tell, especially the enthusiasm when you watch the percussion play and when you're hearing the trumpets play the melody. He wrote a solo, which he adjusted to go just towards this one saxophone player, and that really highlighted that student.
I have already started writing a song for next year, so that's going along very well. I have many people telling me I should write a song for orchestra, or I should write a song for choir, or I should write a song for other things.
He's already got his sights on doing the song for next year that's harder, and continuing into high school, I really see him continuing to compose music. It's really good.